Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? It's happened. Having said, these people don't move. I don't, which is scary because I don't want to move into them, you know. Where's that coming from? Truck on the left. Guy in the truck. Bunker behind the truck. In the truck, in the bunker behind the truck. Center looks okay. He's in that truck. Oh, he got you. It's kind of scary. Look at your offer. Hey, you see that truck? He's in that truck. Bunker real close. And I just bonus ball the guy from oh! Double-story building! Double-story building! It's in the two-story! It's in the two-story on the floor! The center bunker, the two-story building, he's in that. No, he's posting the side. Got me! Two-story. That double-decker one, he's playing this side of it.